Hey, welcome back guys. I'm gonna do a quick video, nothing in depth, nothing crazy, but basically it's gonna be the weight of a factory windshield. I was wondering this a while back in my last truck. I was comparing between a Lexan window, Optic Armor window versus the weight of a factory windshield, if it's worth it. I know there are other advantages of that, but I was really wondering weight comparisons. So for anyone else that may be wondering what a factory windshield weighs, we have the one out of the single cab that I just got. I showed you guys in the last video. I did take it, wash it, hose it down, I got nice and clean. Got it picked up, laid on here right now. There's no cab mounts on it, but we're gonna get them on here later this week. I might do a video about that. I do got polyurethane for coming forward, but right now we're just doing a straight video of the windshield in here. I had a good buddy, Dave, come over. Got to give a shout out to him, Dr. Dentman, for coming over, pulled the windshield for me. It was no good anyways, but I wanted to get it out so I could get the fiberglass dash in and a couple other things and possibly the cage. But as of right now, we're going to go ahead and weigh this and see what it is. Zero it out. It is cracked and busted, but it was like that when almost like that when I got it. Piece of chunk that came off of here. We're going to throw that on there so we get accurate weight. All right. 27 pounds and 9.8 ounces. Bring that in here, I'll show you. So, give or take a few pounds, you're looking about 27, probably between 27 and 30 pounds for an average windshield. They're all going to weigh. Also depends on how much glue is stuck on it, because I mean there's still a lot on here that I've been working on pulling off. I mean just that little piece brings it up to 27 and 10.6 ounces. So it does wear on the glue too, but basically the windshield itself is basically around 27 pounds. I'm not sure with the Optic Armor or the Lexan, but I'm pretty sure if you contacted them companies, whichever one you want to go with, they'd probably tell you what their average weight is, but at least you know what to go off now if you're considering swapping a windshield out. And again, like I said, I haven't decided if I'm going to go to a Lexan windshield in this or just put the factory one back in it, but figure I'd just do a quick video on how much this thing weighed and let you guys know the cab is on the truck, and we're going to get going with that. Hopefully we do got the frame from here to from where the cab sits painted. I'll be doing the rest of it like I've said before, and some more weight comparison videos. If there's anything you guys want to know what weighs on these trucks, leave it in the comments, let me know, and I'll weigh it for you. I'll make a short video and just get you some weight comparisons so you know, so you don't have to pull your stuff off and go from there. But again, thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like, the subscribe button, and see you next time.